The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, air conditioning, front, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.